Alright, welcome to another edition of Ray's Arithmetic, and today we're going to do lesson 16. Now 16, hey, we're going through these lessons and we're learning Roman numerals along the way, so that's kind of a bonus if you think about it. See, there's lesson 16, the number 16 written in Roman numerals, and the X, if you remember, that's our tens place. And we're adding VI, that's 5 and 1, so 10 and 5 and 1 is 16. That's how you write 16 in Roman numerals. Okay, well that's what we're going to do today is lesson 16, and it's going to be some more addition. We're going higher and higher in the numbers as we go along. In case you're wondering why that's happening, it's because that's how we're going to get really good at math. Well, let's see. Let's put some of these problems on the board and work them out. So the first one we're going to do is 6 and 1 are 7. So 6 and 1 are 7. And then we're going to do, well, we're just going to flip that around and say 1 and 6 are also 7. And then 6 and 2 are 8. 6 and 2 are 8. And the same thing there, we flip those around, reverse the 2 and the 6. 2 and 6 are also 8. 2 and 6 are 8. Then we go to 6 and 3. 6 and 3 are how many? 9. And then 3 and 6 are also 9. Okay. Up at the top on the right, let's do 6 and 4. 6 and 4 are how many? 10. 6 and 4 are 10. And then 4 and 6 are also 10. Alright, and then 6 and 5. 6 and 5 are, what do you think? 11? That's right, 11. And then 5 and 6 are also 11. Alright, let's see if we can squeeze two more on this board. 6 and 6. How many are 6 and 6? 6 and 6 are 12. Alright, how about 6 and 7? 6 and 7 are 13. Okay, let's continue on the next board. 7 and 6. 7 and 6 are 13. How about 6 and 8? 6 and 8 are 14. 8 and 6 are 14. How about 6 and 9? 6 and 9 are 15. 9 and 6 are 15. Alright, let's do what's going to be next. 6 and 10. Let me put those up here. 6. Do my 6 again. 6 and 10 are how many? 16. And then last of all, 10 and 6 are also 16. Alrighty, those are some warm-up addition problems. Now let's go ahead and do some word problems. Okay, the first one is a farmer has 6 cows in one field and 2 in another. How many cows are in both fields? Hey, by the way, can you make a cow noise? Do you know what a cow sounds like? Let me hear you say moo. Is that what a cow says? Moo. I can kind of do it. Moo. No, I can't do it. Alright, anyway, this is counting of the cows. So a farmer's got 6 cows in one field, 2 cows in another field. So how many cows is that? 6 and 2 are 8. Right. Okay, let's do the next one. James has 3 marbles in one pocket and 6 in another. How many does he have in both pockets? Well, if he's got 3 marbles in one pocket and 6 marbles in the other pocket, how many does he have in both? Altogether, he's got 9, doesn't he? 3 and 6 are 9. Alright, let's do the next problem. Francis had 6 cents and Mary had 4 cents. How many cents did they both have? So Francis had 6 cents, Mary had 4 cents. So between the two of them, how many cents did they have altogether? 6 and 4 are 10. All right. Next one, there are 5 pigs in one pen and 6 in another. How many pigs are in both pens? Pigs. You know what kind of sound pigs make? Let me hear you make a pig sound. Can you sound like a pig? Just this once. Oink oink. Or if you want something more realistic, it kind of goes. Okay, that's enough. 5 pigs in one pen and 6 in another. How many pigs are in both pens? So we got 5 pigs in one pen and 6 in another. So how many pigs in both pens? 5 and 6 are 11. All right. Next one. If you have 6 plums in each hand, how many plums will you have in both hands? Okay. Either you better have some really big hands, or these are better be really small plums. Okay, if you have 6 plums in each hand, how many plums will you have in both hands? Okay, sounds to me like we're going to add 6 and 6, doesn't it? 6 and 6 are 12. All right. Let's see what's going on next. Lucy gave 7 cents to one poor man and 6 cents to another. How many cents does she give to both? Okay, well, Lucy is generous. She gives some money to 2 poor men. One, she gives 6 cents. Let me put that up here at the top. Let's get the number right. It's 6. Wait a minute. Lucy gave 7 cents. I'm getting ahead of myself. 7 cents to one poor man and 6 cents to the other. Okay, our answer is going to end up the same, but we want to make sure that we put it the way the problem has it. 7 and 6 are 13. All right, 13 cents altogether. Okay, next we've got a man with 6 horses, and he bought 8 more. 6 horses, and he bought 8 more. How many horses did he have then? Horses. Can you make a horse sound? Horse, they kind of go, well, people say, they say, neigh. Well, yeah. Let's see. How about something more realistic, like, oh, that's not very realistic. Oh, well. Let's just add these horses and quit trying to imitate them. 6 horses. So this man bought 6 horses, and then he had 6 horses, and he bought 8 more. So 6 and 8 are 14. 14 horses. All right. Next, we've got a lady who travels 9 miles by water and 6 miles by land. Altogether, how far does she travel? How many miles does she travel? Well, let's see. She travels 9 miles by water and then 6 miles by land. Altogether, her trip was 15 miles. 9 and 6 are 15. Okay. And last, how many are 10 days and 6 days? 10 days and 6 days are how many days altogether? 10 and 6 are 16. Right, okay. Well, that's it for the word problems for lesson 16. We'll do some more in lesson 17. And so you can review this if you need to, but just keep on adding and getting good at it. And we'll see you next time for lesson 17. Meanwhile, you can go to our website at raisarithmetic.wordpress.com, and also by way of typing raisemath.com in your browser. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel that you're on. All right, we'll see you next lesson. Bye-bye.